on my channel for a long time. I apologize for that. I had to delete my channel and then I got it back, but then on my channel there was already some videos. So I just wanted to come on tell you that I'm gonna be doing a spinner giveaway. Same with my friend right here on his channel.
What's up, guys?
So yeah, hold up. And I will be giving away a Batman spinner. I think it should be coming in today, probably tomorrow. Yeah. But right now, I just have a Bluetooth, black one, a blue one, that's kind of like the black one, and one more, hold up, and this one. But I'll be giving away a Batman one. Right now, I'm going to go check the mail, see if we got the Batman one. If not, then it should be coming in this week. If not, then for sure next week. So let's go check the mail. So guys, it's really bright out here, so I'm just going to catch up the video. If not at the mailbox, I'm back at the house. Alright guys, so right now me and my friend went to the mailboxes to check. The mailman took the driver thing, really loading the mailboxes, and he checked in the little box for the things, for the package, and it wasn't there. So catch up the video back at the house. Okay, so we're back at the house. And as I told you that the package was not there. It should be coming in tomorrow. So once I get the spinners, I should be starting the giveaway by, hold up. Alright, so me and my friend came up with something. If it doesn't come in tomorrow, and during Monday through Friday, then for sure next week. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and for sure I will be doing the fidget spinner giveaway. It's not a scam or anything, just yeah. So mate.
Alright, peace out, guys. If you want to enter this giveaway on my channel, you gotta leave a like on my vids, and you subscribe, and you gotta say on the comment section below, say that you subscribe, okay?
Same with mine for the fidget spinner giveaway. It's been good. Peace out.